Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arcet, known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting inspiring video, I thought it was going to be a fun topic to talk about organic fertilizing. All of us gardeners like me are huge organic gardeners. And when it comes to growing our own food, we want to do no chemicals, no pesticides, and not using any fertilizers that can consist of chemicals and such not. And so we would like to come out to our garden looking that every plant is thriving, looking flush. But in order to receive that look, we must do one thing, fertilizing. And I know there's a whole bunch of different fertilizers to choose from, but not all are favorable for us organic gardeners. So I'm gonna be showcasing 3 products that are all 100% used for organic gardening, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys the benefits about all 3 products and how to use every single one of them. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So to main gardeners, coming to our first product is the Vermistera Earthworm Castings. This is a very good product and super beneficial for organic gardeners like me. If you're a long-term gardener like me, you would understand that earthworm castings is black gold in the garden, and anything can get more organic than earthworm castings itself. And so this is actually from the company Vermistera. All the products we're showcasing is actually from Vermistera because they're actually partnering with us on this video. And so once again, earthworm casting screams organic. And it's super easy to apply, fast acting, high in good minerals, and high in nitrogen and potash, which is 2 main ingredients you would like to have when it comes to organic growing your own food, because those will make your plants flourish and thrive in your garden. Even if you have bad soil type like me, this will allow it to become 10 times better. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom into these pole beans at the base of the plants, and I'm gonna show you guys how to properly apply it. So to main gardeners, here we are. This is the base of the pole beans right here. The variety is Triunfo Violetto pole beans. And so how do we apply the Vermistera earthworm castings? Well, it's simple. You want to go ahead and grab a handful like this, and then you want to go ahead and sprinkle it on the surface top of the plants. You want to go ahead and rough it in like so. And then a huge thing you have to do in order for it to actually work is you have to water it. And watering the plants and allowing the fertilizer to actually become active is super huge, because the fertilizer nutrients such as the nitrogen and potash is actually carried through the water. So the whole way the actual minerals and such not can get to the plant is through water. So you want to make sure to water in very well, so those nutrients can make their way to the plant system. So let's go ahead and move on to product number 2. So to main gardeners, the second product I have to showcase to you guys is the Vermistera Earthworm Castings. So this is the exact same benefits such as the earthworm castings, the granule one, but this is formulated to be in a water-based solution. 3 ounces per gallon you use of this solution, so 3 capfuls of this solution per gallon of water you use. I have a 7-liter watering can, which it takes 3.50 liters of water to create 1 gallon. So double that, I had to use 6 ounces of this in my watering can. So this is super fun because once again it's high in nitrogen and potash, and this is more beneficial than the earthworm castings because this is more effectively used and it's carried through water, which if you remember in the first product I said that all these minerals and nutrients are carried through water. So this will be more active faster than the granule earthworm castings. So I'm gonna be applying this to my apple tree because I need to fertilize it again. So let me show you guys how I do that. So to main gardeners, here's the base of my apple tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and water regularly like if I was watering with regular water. Once again, this water has 6 ounces of the earthworm casting tea because it's 2 gallons of water here. So you just want to water that in and let it soak it in, and you are done. Super easy to apply, highly recommend. So let's move on to the third and final product. So to main gardeners, coming to our third and final product is the Vermistera Vitality Tea. I was able to try this out for a few months now, and it's shown its place in my garden. This has the exact same thing, which is the earthworm casting extract, but here's the catch. It is 2 times more powerful than any solution out there. If you want a solution that is packing in nitrogen, potash, that is fast acting, choose this. Super fast acting, I absolutely love it. This is actually best for container gardening because it has a lot of nutrients, and especially in smart pots, water tends to flow out more faster. So the more higher in nutrition value, the faster your plants will get the nutrition value in their plant system. So let me go ahead and show you guys a prime example, and let me show you guys how I'm going to use it. So to main gardeners, I forgot to mention, with the Vermistera Vitality Tea, you want to mix 2 ounces of the solution per gallon of water. So once again, I used 4 ounces because my liter is 2 gallons. So here I have a green smart pot container with a beefsteak tomato I planted in it, and I'm gonna just go ahead and water it like regular, taking breaks here and there to allow the water to actually go through. And if you can notice from the side here, it's actually seeping out water. So that's a prime example of why you want high nutrition value in your solution, because it's able to actually make it into the plant system. So you could actually see when you water it that it actually tends to seep through. So I'm fertilizing this section by section so it could be able to absorb in the soil and the plant roots could absorb it in. So to main gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, I talked to you guys about organic fertilizing, and hopefully you guys found something interesting in this video and educational, and hopefully you'll be able to get these tips and consider them in your own garden. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you learned something new in this video, please leave a like down below, and while you're down there, please consider subscribing to show your amazing support towards this channel. And please share with your friends and families to help other generations learn where their food comes from, but not only that, learn how to grow it. Also, leave a comment down below of any video suggestions you would like me to do, and I will gladly do them. Thank you all so much for watching, and like always, never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.